Alright guys, so I have an Instant Pot recipe. It's pretty easy. I have some cilantro, some green onions, some Nappa cabbage. This is braised beef that I made a while back, and I froze it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to warm it up. And I have underneath there is brown rice. So all I do is hit the rice button, and then all of this will cook. So you can actually put frozen, like, you know, whatever you prepared previously or anything frozen, you can actually put it right into the Instant Pot, and it'll thaw it out and it'll cook it right there as well. So it'll be even tender, more tender than what it was before. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back, and be about 20 to 30 minutes when this is done. Alright guys, it's all done here. So let's do a quick taste test. There it is. There's the meat. It's really good. You get all the flavor. You get the Asian 5 spice. It's actually really good. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.